Hey guys, it's Little Cutie Squishy 1, or should I say, hey everyone, it's Little Cutie Squishy 21. I'm sorry if I haven't uploaded this a while because today's Saturday, and first I have a meeting, then I forget something. It's a good thing I remember today's the uploading date, Saturdays. So I'll be doing 3 videos today. So I'm gonna reveal you guys my first video. So my first video is Squishy Collection. Squishy Collection is different from Squishy Haul. For me, Squishy Haul is where I give or show you my 2 or more squishies. I'm not allowed to give you 1 new squishies. No, I mean 2 or more squishies. And then next, my Squishy Collection is where I show you all of the things that are my squishies, whether old or new. So yeah, let's get on with my Squishy Collection. And PS guys, I'm sorry if I'm gonna upload this long. Sorry. I'm back. So I'm back guys. So here is my squishy box. And let's start the collection now. Starting it. So when you open the box, here is my new squishies. I had a tiger donut, a pink tiger donut with a smiley face and like sprinkles. Next I have a cat squishy, my favorite and my first ever squishy. It has manufacturing defects, but I'm okay with it. Next I have a duck squishy, one of my first ever squishies. This is very slow rising of all of my squishies. Next I have a cat squishy, a smiley face cat with like a red like bush, and it has like a bow tie. It's a creepy laugh, but I love it and it's so cute, and it has defects. It's okay with that. And next I have my long lost panda bun. My panda bun's like missing, and then it all got dirty, even though the keychain's broken, but I'm okay with it. And then next I have my free donut that is like has like syrup, chocolate syrup. Then I have my poop smiley face dough burger. There you go. It has a little bit defects, but I'm okay with it. And my new squishy, I have a Hello Kitty squishy that is very new. It's so soft. I really love it how I squish it. So I'm back. Okay. Then I have my cat bun squishy, and it's like a brown here because it's a bun. The cute smiley face, and so good. Next I have a small giveaway squishy that I want to my Instagram from, and you sent us. She's so good. And I have the kitchen there. I have like defects, so I'm clear with it because I didn't yet open the plastic. And my favorite squishy of them all is this milk carton squishy. It's so slow rising and it's so soft and smells so good. They all smell good, but this is like the best squishy that I ever have. And that's all for my squishy collection. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! I'll show you guys my next video later. Bye!
It feels like a perfect night to dress up like hipsters and make fun of our